welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I don't have a proper intro yet. I was thinking I could call you, the person who's watching this, hi, hello, the honeybee, because you're very sweet, and then you could call this little corner of our humble abode our nest or our hive. Please let me know if you like that. I read all of my comments, so I will definitely get to yours. Okay. Enough rambling, okay? Today, I'm going to go through my cider package because I finally received it. And I know that a lot of you guys have been waiting for a couple of weeks, actually, so I'm just gonna be as straightforward as I can, make this video as quick as I can, and I advise that you perhaps watch the whole thing if you want to make a proper judgment on whether or not you want to buy from cider. But of course, you don't have to, so I'm gonna include timestamps down below of each section that I go through. Number 1, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the package, what's in the package, how the package looks like. Number 2, I'm going to be doing a measurement segment. I'm going to be measuring myself and then compare it to cider's actual clothing sizes. So obviously after I measure myself, I'm going to go through the sizing, compare myself to cider's clothing size that they provide, like the chart. 4th thing, I'm going to be doing a try-on, going to be comparing what I thought it would look like, so the actual cider picture to what it looks like on me. Finally, 5th, how does cider clothing wash? Does the dye come off? Do the threads come apart? All of that is going to be in the 5th part of this video. If I skip over anything, if I miss anything, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, so ask me any questions. And with that, we are going to get started right now. Strangely, the cider package actually didn't take a really long time to arrive, but then again, I made a video on them. I don't know if maybe they saw the video. I don't know if they know that, but it's here. It comes in like a, it's just a plastic type of thing here, okay? It says, bringing you that feeling when your crush smiles at you, you see a cute duck. I mean, it's like, it's a plastic bag just with extra decorations on it. I only bought one thing there because usually when I buy from new stores that I don't really know, I just stick to buying one thing and then seeing how the quality is and stuff like that. So, okay, I opened it up. They gave me these stickers, which are kind of cute actually, so. I don't know if they did this on purpose, but there's like a hole in the bag, but it looks like it's intentionally cut. This is a Ziploc bag. It smells disgusting. It smells like smoke. I got one cardigan. Oh, it smells so bad. I don't want to have like an allergic reaction. Why does it smell so bad? Probably because it's factory produced. Okay, the tags is attached to the cardigan and it's just like a red tag and then just their website. Okay, so I'm going to measure myself with a string and then use a measuring tape after just to ensure that nothing fishy happens. The only 2 human measurements they do are the shoulder and the bust. For shoulder, I'm pretty sure you just, okay, I'm in the relaxed position. I'm going to do the longest part of my shoulders. Why does that look so short? And then next is the bust, which I'm pretty sure is the biggest part. It's the biggest part of my lady part. You can quote me on that one. Why is this so long? Okay, well, obviously because I went around. Okay, I just realized I forgot my measuring tape, so I'm gonna go get that really quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. This is probably not the best way to measure things. My shoulders are 17 and a half inches. My lady part, stop moving. Stop moving. Oh my god, stop. My bust is 34 inches. Now, according to the actual cider measurements, this is what it is. And then these are my measurements right here. I got a size medium and it's a bit loose, but I wouldn't go a size under or a size over. I think it's good for what it is. I'm in between a small and a medium, but more on the medium side. So take that as what you will. Now I'm actually going to try on the cardigan and see if it works out. Okay, I got the cardigan on right now. I think I should tie my hair up so you can see. Really messily, just tie my hair up. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what it looks like on me. The shoulder and the bust measurement for the medium size is actually a bit larger than my actual size. But the thing is, I wouldn't go down a size because I think that would be just right, or a bit tight actually. And I wanted a more looser fit. I think the medium is just right for me. If I go a large, it would be way too big and it would be really loose. I recommend that if you are unsure of your sizing, that perhaps you measure yourself and then measure what the cider product sizing is. Use a string like I did and kind of just compare it on yourself to see if it works on you. If it doesn't, then obviously, change your size. The sleeves are just right on me. If I wanted to roll them up, it would be a little short. It wouldn't go all the way to my hand. Okay, so for the whole entire length of my arm, it's 26 inches, but from the shoulder to my wrist to the sleeve is 19 inches. If I button all of the buttons, there's still like air in here. Point is, there's just it's loose. It's loose, but it's the right type of loose and not actually loose. There's a lot of air here. This is my arm, and then it would be like this, my actual arm, but it's loose here. I'm going to be honest, cider kind of outdid themselves based on my first opinion on them. I thought their clothing would be of low quality, but the cardigan is actually pretty thick and it seems okay so far. I thought that the waist area was going to be more cinched inside, but it's just flat all the way. The wrist collar fabric is pretty tight. It seems good, although I just pulled a loose thread. I pulled another really long thread, the cardigan itself. I don't know if you can see this, but it's really long. Like, this is my face. There's a loose thread on the button. Now I see a bunch of defects on this. Okay, for the seam inside, there is another loose thread. There just seems to be loose threads where the seams are, but not where the fabric is, if that makes sense. Okay, y'all, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Just took out the cardigan out from the wash on my phone right now. As you can see, kind of in a rush to, try and get this video out, but here we go. Okay, so first glance, nothing seems wrong. Honestly, like nothing, it doesn't look bad. I'm going to check if there are more loose threads, and to be honest, there are a few. Well, one thing, I washed the sleeve and then there are these little fuzzy, like really small fuzzy threads that have started to come out. So I think this cardigan does sort of have an end life, depending on how many times you wear it, how many times you wash it, but it's not like it entirely came apart, so I guess that's a good thing. Material is fine, the color is still fine, it looks the same to me. I think the shape of the cardigan is still the same as well. It's not like it got smaller or it got larger. All in all, not too bad. It wasn't too bad. I've seen people complain about 2-month, 3-month late shipments, and well, I'm just lucky to have received mine within 3 weeks. So there you go. Not too bad. It's not too bad. I hope this video helped you a lot in regards to whether or not you wanted to buy from Cider. If you want more information on how my order went and all of that, this is the first video that I posted. It should be right here. If not, it's going to be in the description. If you want, you can go check out that video and I guess make your decision. Today, I am shouting out this person from my comments on my last video, so if you want to be shouted out in my next video, please leave a comment down below. Also, do you like the honeybee thing? I don't know if that's gonna be a thing. Just let me know about that. Now, just like a warning from here on out, or like a disclaimer, I try to have a consistent uploading schedule, but now that I'm actually swamped with college work and all of that, I'm not sure how that's gonna work out for me. So I'm gonna try and have a schedule, but I will let you know if that schedule goes bonkers. So if you want to know if my video schedule has gone bonkers, the easiest way is to just go down below and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for 500 subscribers, even though I'm 100 and something subscribers late. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you very, very soon. Oh my god, look at the graph. Oh my god, please. Please help. It's so heavy. Please subscribe.